Top things to do after installing Kali Linux in 2023. Kali Linux is a popular operating system used for ethical hacking and security testing. If you have just installed Kali Linux, there are some important steps you should take to ensure that the system is up-to-date, secure, and customized for your needs. The first step is to take a snapshot of the Kali Linux virtual machine in VirtualBox. This is a precautionary measure in case something goes wrong during the setup process. To take a snapshot, go to the VirtualBox Manager, select the Kali Linux virtual machine, and click on Snapshots from the top menu. Then, click on Take Snapshot and provide a name for the snapshot. The second step is to change the keyboard language settings and update the system. To change the keyboard settings, go to Settings, and then Keyboard. Here, select your preferred keyboard layout and language. To update the system, open the terminal and run the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. After updating the system, it is recommended to learn Python, a popular programming language used for ethical hacking and security testing. You can follow tutorials provided by CLSEC on their YouTube channel to learn Python from scratch. The fourth step is to enable shared clipboard and drag and drop in VirtualBox. This will allow you to easily copy and paste text between the host and guest operating systems. To enable this feature, go to the Settings of the Kali Linux virtual machine and select General from the left menu. Then, select Advanced and choose Bidirectional from the Shared Clipboard and Drag and Drop options. The fifth step is to learn how to upgrade packages and clean up old ones in Kali Linux. This is important to ensure that your system is up-to-date and free from vulnerabilities. To upgrade packages, run the command sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade y. To clean up old packages, run the command sudo apt auto remove y and sudo apt auto clean y. The sixth step is to customize and enhance your terminal experience. You can install and use tools like ZSH, OhmyZSH, Powerline Fonts, and Terminator to customize your terminal and make it more efficient. The seventh step is to install VS Code, a popular code editor, on Kali Linux. You can install it with a single command sudo snap install code classic. Finally, if you're interested in hacking and security testing, it's recommended to follow a guide on how to install and configure Kali Linux for hacking purposes. Offensive Security provides comprehensive guides on their website for various hacking purposes. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Kali Linux installation is up-to-date, secure, and customized for your needs.